What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be covering the SoFi stock. I'm telling you right now, the SoFi, the company itself, is just beginning, okay? 2025 is where the company is truly going to shine, and you're going to see a bigger fintech hybrid multiple because SoFi management is doing exactly what they need to do to get the stock ripping up higher, and that is diversifying out of pure banking, lending, risk to the balance sheet as much as they can. Okay. Back when Anthony Noto took over the company in 2019, they were doing about 98 to 99% pure lending revenue. Fast forward 2024, 6 years later, the company is doing 50% revenue split on financial services and technology platform, split with pure bank lending risk to the balance sheet. So as long as SoFi continues to see that number plummet in lending, they are going to continue to see a higher and higher stock price as a pure fintech play, banking as a service, selling the Galileo software. This is what we need to be seeing, and the SoFi management continues to deliver, and it's just a matter of time before this stock truly takes off. We've already seen the financial services segment grow at 80% year over year is what the management is forecasting, and the technology platform has been stagnant, but they have been, making a massive shift the past 2 to 3 years of going after larger, durable clients, which are the legacy banks. The top 10 is what SoFi has been in RFP stages with. So if they just land one, that is going to be a massive boost to the stock price because we will likely land a second and a third in the future. So in this video today, for those people that are playing this stock a little bit longer term, I know a lot of people are in and out of this stock. Some people want to hold for 1 to 2 years. That's completely fine. But guys, if you don't want to miss the next 15 to 30x Tesla NVIDIA play, just going off of, 2019, 2020, this is going to be the stock for you, okay? We are going to be covering the numbers for the next couple years out. This is the furthest guidance, I've ever done on a YouTube video. Usually we just go out, 1 to 2 years, but we're going to go out a little bit further just so you can see how big this company is going to truly become in the next couple of years. So guys, as long as the SoFi management team continues to, diversify out of pure banking, lending, risk to the balance sheet, this stock is going to moon higher and higher every single year. And the best part is that's exactly what they are doing with their financial services segment and their Galileo technology platform that they have been working on hard behind the scenes for the next 2 years. I think 2025 is where Galileo truly shines and we land that large legacy whale. And that is going to give us, massive, massive credibility to continue to land more, and we will become the AWS of fintech in the very near future, and profits will just be rolling into the bottom line like you never imagined. So don't sell out for a 2x, 3x. This is a 20x play, guys, if you just have the time frame. Management is doing what they need to do. Sure, I gave you that, short-term price target, $45 in 2026. We're going to absolutely smash that in 2026 the way the company is headed. So be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily on all the breaking news with the SoFi stock. Let's get into it. All right, guys, right here, this is the money chart for anybody new to this channel. We've been covering, the SoFi stock for years and years, but what's happening is they continue to diversify faster and faster, and that's why you're seeing the stock really start to rip up because they are just getting away from that old school legacy pure bank lending to more fee-based revenue. And you can see, back in 2019, they were about 98, 99% pure lending. And we have the first chart right here, Q1 2021. You can see financial services and the tech platform percentage of adjusted net revenue. It was 24%. Pure bank lending was 76%, guys. Look what is happening. This baby blue chart exploding is what's going to cause your, stock price to continue to explode. Your pocket's going to explode, okay? So as long as this chart gets bigger and bigger and bigger, the SoFi stock is going to continue to see multiple expansion. And you can see as of the last quarter, Q3 2024, we're talking 49% of overall revenue compared to 51% of lending, okay? We're going to see a bigger ramp in Q4 because they've just entered a new business segment of the loan platform business that just absolutely exploded in Q3. This is going to cause this number to go to 52, 53% in Q4. What's going to happen in 2025 if they continue to see the Galileo tech platform skyrocket? This baby blue is going to get bigger and bigger. You're going to get further away from the lending, legacy banking risk, pure lending, okay? This is what we want to see. More fee-based revenue, more technology platform revenue, more financial services revenue, and that's exactly where the management team is headed. This is the money chart, guys. Take a look at the, Q3 investor presentation. Put this on your wall, print it out, because as long as this number gets bigger right here, your pockets are going to continue to get bigger. Just look at the transformation over the last 3 years of this company diversifying, a superior management team trying to get away from risk. And that's exactly what they're doing. It just takes time to deliver. And now you're finally seeing the numbers deliver. Look at the lending revenue right here, guys. Q1 2022, $252 million in revenue. And look at the financial services segment right here, guys. $23 million in revenue. Literally, lending was 10 times higher than financial services. Fast forward all the way to Q3 2024, you got lending coming in at $391 million. And you have financial services coming in at a blistering $238 million. A 10x right there, guys. Imagine if the credit card business finally turns to profitability and SoFi figures out how to scale that business correctly, keeping, defaults down, okay? This is going to blow past lending, and you're going to continue to see, that, segment of overall revenue skyrocket way higher than lending. We want to see this lending revenue continue to drop, but remember, SoFi needs the lending revenue to bring the customers in, to cross-buy them into financial services, and of course, the technology platform is where they've been investing a lot in. And we're probably going to land a top 10 legacy bank pretty soon, and you're going to see this number absolutely skyrocket from 102 million to 20, 30 million jumps quarter over quarter. So as long as these revenue streams right here continue to skyrocket faster and faster, you're going to see that multiple on the SoFi stock go up faster and faster, like we've been seeing. Everything is snowballing all at once. Now, right now, guys, the management team on SoFi has only given us 2026 guidance. They never gave us 2027, 2028, or 2029. They never even gave us 2025. But when they put this out, to test the market and see how analysts reacted, analysts spit back in SoFi's face and said, no chance you guys are going to hit 80 cents in 2026. No chance at all. Low end 55, high end, 80. Absolutely incredible. You got analysts, predicting the lowest level of EPS for 2026. But guess what? That is into SoFi's favor because we're going to absolutely smash through these 2025 comps they're putting out. And who knows how high we're going to go next year in EPS, guys. But I believe we're going to enter the EPS expansion stage right now. And this is where the stock could really go on a run, especially if we land those legacy banking whales, which I think we're going to get a big one in 2025. And here are the numbers, guys. I went all the way out to 2028 for you. Screenshot this, put it in your notepad so you guys can take a look at these numbers. But we got the revenue growth 2024 at 24%, 2.55 billion in revenue. And then I did accelerate it a little bit to 30% growth in 2025. And management on SoFi did say they plan on growing revenue for the next 3 years at 25% rate. So I just went back down to 25% for the next couple of years. But for EPS, I did increase the 2026 a little bit because they put out no new business lines that they could still hit 80 cents. And of course, we know on October 14th, 9 months later from that guidance they put out, SoFi expands the loan platform business with $2 billion agreement with Fortress Investment Group. Said brand new business line. And they said no new business lines they could hit 80 cents. This is originating on behalf of other clients' capital, guys. Is that fee-based revenue, no risk to the balance sheet. This is exactly what we want to see. And that's why I put them at $1 for 2026. And you can see the net income guidance for analysts for next year is 24 cents. I just don't see them jumping up, 75 cents year over year. I think they're going to have a higher number next year than 24 cents from what the analysts are saying. So maybe we finish next year at, 40 cents would be a massive, massive beat from what the analysts are expecting. And then they did give a little bit further guidance of 25% EPS growth for the next couple of years. So I gave us $1.25 and $1.56 on 25% EPS growth. Maybe they plan on growing a little bit further than that to beat that guidance, 35% growth. That could get you up to like the $1.70 range in 2028. But who knows what's going to happen depending on how many clients they potentially land with the Galileo technology platform. If they land one whale for the next 5 years or they land 3 whales for the next 5 years, that's going to be 20, 40, 50 cent swings. But guys, as of right now, I feel confident in this $1 2026. That's $1 billion of net income. We know Nubank last year clipped $1 billion in net income, a little bit faster growth, massive credit card business, and also personal loans, about 80-20 split right now. So guys, we're going to be hitting Nubank's numbers that they hit last year in 2023. So we're like 3 years behind Nubank on a size of an overall company, revenue, net income, and stuff like that. But this is a 20% profit margin, guys, 2026. Remember that, 20% profit margin. So here are the numbers, guys. 25% growth is what the management said. I gave them a little bit of growth for 2025 because we got them big tailwinds coming up. All these other numbers are just predictions. Okay, we have no idea what SoFi is going to do for 2025. We have to wait and see for that Q4 earnings. I think they're going to probably guide maybe 28 to 30 cents to beat this, and then they'll do their original beat and guidance raises all the way to the end of the year, maybe hit 40 cents or something like that. But that'll still be awesome. But you can see the EPS expansion stage is really kicking in. As long as you see them to continue to diversify out of overall lending, you're going to see this stock continue to skyrocket from financial services and the Galileo tech platform, guys. We're just waiting on a whale. Once a whale comes, that's when you're going to see the big premium boost. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. Once again, if you find this information useful, be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily. Once again, my name is Kyle. Hope you have a great day.